Everyone has dreams, and goal setting is the first step towards turning your dreams into reality. So, what are these SMART goals? When we talk about specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time bound, or if we talk about the smarter goals, so these goals are basically a part of every aspect of business or life and provides a sense of direction, motivation to move forward in life. So, this short video explains the concept of how to set a smart goal or probably a smarter goal with some relevant examples. So, don't go anywhere else, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Hello, and welcome to yet another video series from Digital Learning, your one stop solution for all your learning needs. People often get confused between a dream and a goal. While dreams are something you are just thinking about it and there's no planned action to it. You just realize your dreams by creating a goals around each one of your dream and then pursue each goal by taking action. So dream is the first thing and you apply proper action, it will turn into a goal. In simple words, goal without a plan, action and deadline is just a dream. So when we talk about the goals, you can have different types of goals in life or maybe in professional career. It could be related to attitude, your career, any education goal, goal related to your family, any financial goal, any physical goal, or maybe goal related to some pleasure, goal related to some public service or artistic. So you need to define what is your ultimate goal and under which category it falls. You can also have multiple goals in life. So when we talk about this SMART goals, so what is this SMART means here? Where SMART is basically an acronym where S stand for specific, M stand for measurable, A stand for attainable or achievable, R stand for realistic, and T stands for time bound. These SMART goals incorporate all of these criteria to help focus your efforts and increase the chance of achieving that particular goal. So let us look at two statements, one a common goal statement and one a SMART goal statement. So the common goal statement that people normally have is that I want to be a millionaire. And let's look at the SMART goal statement around this statement. So its SMART goal statement could be I want to earn 50,000 euros per month from 2 years from now. So this statement is more specific. You can measure it whether you are earning 50,000 euros or not. You can attain it over the period of time. It is more realistic and it is time bound that I need to be earn this much from 2 years from now. Now let us understand this in more detail. The first step, that is S, specific. The first step basically is helps in setting the smarter goal to be more specific. In fact, very specific. The more specific you are about your goals, the better you will be able to accomplish them no matter what method you're going to use. Goals that are specific have significantly greater chance of being accomplished. This means that you don't just say that you want to earn more money or lose more weight. You have to say exactly how much money you want to make or how much weight you want to lose. You have to put real and exact figures on it and make it measurable. Specifics are the fuels in the engines of your goal. You have to provide specifics if you are going to achieve anything at all. And when you write your goals, be absolutely as specific as possible and never be afraid to be too specific in this case. To make a goal more specific, these following 6W questions must be considered. So we have like who is involved in this, what what to do, what do you want to accomplish, identify a location, create a time frame, identify requirements and constraints, and finally identify specific reasons, purpose and benefit to accomplish this set goals. Second step, that is M for measurable. The second step in setting a smarter goal is to be measurable, which means establishing a criteria for measuring your progress while you work towards your goal. A SMART goal must have criteria for measuring progress. If there is no criteria, you will not be able to determine your progress and if you are on track to reach your goal or not. To make your goals more specific, ask the following questions. How do I know if I have reached my goal or not? And what is my indicator of my work progress? So when you make your progress, measure your progress, you stay on track in terms of dates. You know exactly when changes need to be made. You see what efforts work best for you and for your team. In short, measurable goals means that you identify what it is you will see, hear, and feel, and you will reach that particular goal. So the third step, that is A for attainable. The third step in setting a smarter goal is to be attainable or achievable. So is your goal attainable? That means investigating whether the goal really is acceptable to you or not. So you weigh your efforts, time, and other costs that your goal will take against the profit and other obligations and priorities you have in life. If you don't have enough time, money, or talent to reach a certain particular goal, you will definitely fail. But that doesn't mean that you can't take something that seems impossible and make it happen by planning smartly and going for it. Smart goal must be achievable and attainable, and this will help you figure out ways you can realize the goal that work toward it. The achievability of a goal should be should be stretched to make you feel challenged, but defined well enough so that you can actually achieve it. So you can ask yourself, do I have the resources and the capabilities to achieve that goal? If not, what I am missing? Next, have others done it successfully before? Or I am the first one to set this ambitious goal? But when you are setting goals, especially when they are short term goals, make sure they are achievable. This doesn't mean that you can't look for long term goals like 5 year or 10 year. But what you can do, and probably in that case, is to break down your long term goals into small, short term attainable goals. The step 4 are for realistic. The fourth step in setting a smarter goal is to be more realistic. In order to be realistic, your goal should represent an objective towards which you are both willing and able to work towards that particular goal. Just because you have set your high goals, it does not mean it is unrealistic. As long as you have time and energy to put into it, you can still achieve your goal. A smart goal must be realistic in that the goal can be realistically achieved given the available resources and time. A smart goal is likely realistic if you believe that it can be accomplished. Ask yourself, is the goal realistic and within my reach? Is the goal reachable given the time and resources I have? Are you able to commit to achieving this goal or not? Step 5T for time bound or timely. The fifth step in setting a smarter goal is to be time bound. So smart goals must be time bound in that it has specific start and finish date. If goal is not a time constraint, there will be no sense of urgency and motivation to achieve that particular goal. No goal is achievable if you don't have time for it, and all goals should be kept within the detailed time frame. One way you can measure this is to compare your current goal time frame to that of a past goal. If you're able to achieve this similar task within the same time frame, you can feel confident and you can achieve this goal as well. So when your goals are time bound, they are measurable and you should also hold yourself accountable by measuring those goals on daily, weekly and monthly basis. How close are you of achieving your goals? How much further did you get from achieving those goals? Without making your goals time bound and measurable, you won't be able to see your progress. Is it the time for us to shift to a smarter goal settings from smart goal settings? Smarter goal settings take two steps further, forcing you to evaluate and readjust your approach. The sixth letter, that is evaluate, ensures that your goals are evaluated every single day, and you will be much more likely to achieve it. This is why, well, the long term goals can be easily be ignored if they aren't not evaluated every single day or every single week. The next letter, that is R or step, which means reevaluate or revised. This is to readjust your approach. Here, readjust or revive does not mean that you have to throw your goals out and start all over again. What it means is that you have to try a different approach until you find yourself getting closer and closer to your end goal. That is why the constant evaluation on daily basis is so important here. So if you don't evaluate, you can't measure your progress. One thing for sure, whether it is a smart goal or a smarter goal you put in place, you will discover that being clear about precisely what you want to achieve and when you want to accomplish it can be the difference between the success and failure.